Greetings from the International Students and Scholars Office at Columbia University. I'm here today to share 7 tax-related frequently asked questions. Yes, if you were an F or J student or scholar present in the US last year, you have a tax filing requirement. Well, besides being a requirement from the US Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, for those of you who had income last year, you will likely receive a partial refund. Most students and scholars do receive some money back from the IRS, so you definitely want to complete your tax return. The IRS classifies international students and scholars as residents or non-residents for tax purposes. Tax residency matters because residents and non-residents are taxed differently. Generally, most international students on F and J visas are considered non-residents for tax purposes for the first 5 years. Alas, we are not tax accountants, so we cannot advise on individual tax forms. Instead, we contract with Sprint Tax to assist our international students and scholars who are non-residents for tax purposes. The ISSO even covers the cost of the Sprint Tax federal return for Columbia students and scholars, including alums on OPT, OPT STEM, or AT. Tax returns in the US are notoriously difficult, but Sprint Tax makes the process very easy. You'll need your passport, visa, I-20 or DS 2019, and a list of all of your various entries to and exits from the USA. For those who earned income last year, you'll also need to obtain a W-2 form from your employers. For a full list of required documents, check out our tax webpage. Tax returns must be submitted by April 15th. If you had no income last year, you have until June 15th to mail your form to the IRS. Visit the ISSO's tax pages for lots of helpful information, links to tax webinars, and links to Sprint Tax. You must access Sprint Tax via the link on our webpage to access the free federal return. If you have any questions while you're completing Sprint Tax's online program, we recommend using their helpful live chat feature. From all of us here at the ISSO, we wish you a stress-free tax season.